Lovers and Steel, where logic reigns and dreams are real. A woman who teaches with passion and grace. A man who builds with strength and pace. They met not in a movie scene, but in a screenshot, crisp and clear.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true.
This is Jason, civil engineer. May blueprint sa kamay, pero puso ang gear. Sa bawat bakal na nilalatag, si Clarice ang laman ng kanyang utak.
Di ko inakala kay ganda ng buhay, nagniningning na tunay, buhat ng nandito.
And this is Clarice, a mathematics queen. Sa X and Y, siya ang tunay na may routine. Pero sa love life, minsan ay may glitch. Hanggang sa isang post niya ang naging switch. Kaya siguro tayo single kasi busy tayo. At si Jason, nag-screenshot, nagka-crush, nagka-spark, nagkabuhay ang love art.
Kasalanan ba na umibig sa'yo?
7 years of rides and roads, of shared dreams and secret codes. From busy tayo to tara, let's go! They built a love that's steady and slow.
Nalaman mo na ang puso ko ay para sa'yo.
And Jason, lumaban, naghintay, nagpatuloy, hanggang sa puso ni Clarice, siya ang tumuloy.
Hanap yung mga mata mo.
Now, under the skies of gold and light, a woman in white, a man shining bright. No longer just teacher and engineer, but partners in love with nothing to fear.
Naging ka, ikaw ay liligaya kung
Inihahandog ng Dan Cruz Photography ang love story ni na Jason at Clarice. This January 31, 2026, fall in love with a story so true of formulas, foundations, and I do. Starring Clarice, who solved the hardest equation, and Jason, who built love's true foundation. Isang pag-ibig na walang subject pero laging may lesson. Isang pagmamahalan na walang blueprint pero matibay ang foundation. Isang forever na di lang wish sa bituin kundi kwento ng pag-ibig na walang ending.